Okay, you stop this one? Yeah. Okay, we're going to continue here. We open it. I will tell you what subscription you have. If you want to make a license for MPX Bench, and license for Renaissance, license for, you know, like you have to buy some license and it charge you like 150, 350. But that's not a big issue here. Let's go to on bench programming. I'm going to go to BMW, FRM module. I believe this is FRM 3 series. Now you come here to the right side, get the wiring. This is the piece that we need to get the wiring for. Here is the wiring. Now we're gonna come here, we're gonna open this. Be sure that your charging is okay. You know, like the soldering. Hold this one now with this. I'm gonna use my hand to open this. I'm gonna open this one here. Okay. Hopefully everything is okay. It will tell us. You can take it out. Here's how it look like. We're not gonna use, when you're gonna put it in, be sure that you see these two holes. Have to come here and then you adjust it and you put it in. Okay, see here now. Now I am going to use a couple of connector here to solder this wire based on, I have this piece. And there is some clips also, but I'm gonna put to help me solder the wire. Sometimes you have to use more. Okay, here. I'm gonna use my magnifier to get it easier. Okay, I'm gonna start with, it take only 4 wires. So I'm gonna take the red and the black wire. Now yellow one. And then we have the black one and the blue one. Black one. And the blue one. Blue one is here. Okay, we have 4 wires. There is a clip also. Now I'm gonna take this one. And now the yellow one. Then the black one is here already. I want to be sure that's it. So you don't want to do something that does not belong to. Now the last one is the blue one. Beautiful. Look here, I'm using that tool. Look here, that's what I'm using. Now I put everything here. I'm gonna take this one here to follow. The EEPROM. If we read the EEPROM, what it say? Tech support, tuning software or device framework is not updated. And update it. The system. We take it from there. We don't need to do nothing, only 4. There is some clips that they use. You put it in and you clip it, it will read. I tried the clips a couple of times. That connector is for another for hex VVDI or one of the other programmers. But update it when I finish. I will come back. Thank you.